Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 9, Unit 16, Classification of Plants and Animals. Topics: Classification of living being. Five kingdom system of classification. Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae. Flowering and non-flowering plant. Algae, Bryophyta, Tracheophyta. Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. Monocotyledon, Dicotyledon. Animalia, vertebrates and invertebrates. Core data. Life cycle of mosquito. Classification of living being. The process of dividing living organisms according to their similar and dissimilar nature into different group and subgroup is called classification of living beings. Need of classification. It makes our study easy. It makes impossible studies possible. It makes our study faster. Five kingdom system of classification. Robert Yates Whittaker in 1969 AD introduced five kingdom system of classification. It consists five kingdoms of living beings. Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Monera. Monera are unicellular prokaryotic microorganisms. They are autotrophic or parasite. Example: bacteria, azobacter, blue-green algae. Protista. Protista are unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Example: amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Fungi. Fungi are organisms without chlorophyll. They absorb their food from dead and decayed things. Example: fungus, yeast. Plantae. The living thing with chlorophyll is called Plantae. They are autotroph. It is divided into two groups: flowering plant. The plant which bear flower is called flowering plant. Example: pine, mustard, rice, mango, orange. Non-flowering plant. The plant without flower is called non-flowering plant. Example: Spirogyra, Markensia, moss, fern. Plantae kingdom is divided into three divisions: algae, bryophyta, Tracheophyta. Algae. It can prepare its own food because it has chlorophyll. It stores food in the form of starch. Most are aquatic plants. Example: Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra. Bryophyta. It has rhizoid, stem, and simple leaves. It is found in the moist and cool places. It is called amphibian plant because water is needed for fertilization. Alternation of generation is found. Example: Markensia, moss, rixia. Tracheophyta. It has well-developed vascular bundle. Tracheophyta is divided into three subdivisions: Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. Pteridophyta. It has well-developed xylem and phloem tissues. It has well-differentiated stem and leaves. It has alternation of generation. Example: fern, Lycopodium, horsetail. Gymnosperm. It has naked seed. It has long and narrow leaves. It has sunken stomata. It has no fruit because it has no ovary. Example: Cycas pinus. Angiosperm. It is plant with seed enclosed in fruit. Angiosperm is divided into two classes: monocotyledon, dicotyledon. Monocotyledon. It has only one cotyledon in its seed. It has scattered vascular bundles. It has fibrous root system. It has parallel venation. Example: paddy, sugarcane, maize, wheat. Dicotyledon. It has two cotyledons in its seed. It has vascular bundle in ring form. It has taproot system. It has reticulate venation. Example: soybean, mustard, pea, orange. Animalia. Animalia is divided into two groups: vertebrates, the animals with backbone, is called vertebrates. Example: rabbit, human, buffalo, dog. Invertebrates. The animals without backbone is called invertebrates. Example: snail, earthworm, leech, mosquito. Invertebrates. It is divided into 8 phyla. Porifera, it is attached to substratum in water. It is diploblastic because it has two-layered body. Body consists of small pores called ostia. Body consists of large pore called osculum. Example: Cycon sponge. Coelenterata. Body is cylindrical and hollow. Tentacles are present around the mouth. It moves with the help of tentacles. It reproduces by sexual and asexual method. Example: hydra, coral, jellyfish. Platyhelminthes. It is flatworm. It is triploblastic because it has three-layered body. Mouth has hooks and suckers. It is hermaphrodite because both sex is found in single animal. Example: liver fluke, tapeworm. Nemathelminthes. Its body is cylindrical and non-segmented. Mouth, sucker, and anus are well developed. It is unisexual. It reproduces by sexual method. It is bilateral symmetrical. Example: hookworm, roundworm. Annelida. Body is cylindrical and segmented. It is found in damp places. It is hermaphrodite because both sex is found in one. It has power of regeneration. It respires with moist skin. Example: earthworm, leech. Arthropoda. It has head, thorax, and abdomen. It has jointed appendages. Male and female are separate. It has internal fertilization. It respires with gills or trachea. It has compound eyes. Example: mosquito, butterfly, ant. Mollusca. It has soft body and covered with hard shell. It is found in both land and water. It has tentacles on its head. It is unisexual. Example: slug, snail, octopus. Echinodermata. Body is covered with hard spines made of calcium carbonate. It is found in sea. Male and female are separate. It has tubular feet for movement. Digestive system is developed. Example: starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber. Chordata. The animal which develops notochord in their life cycle is called chordata. Chordata phylum belongs to vertebrates. Phylum Chordata is divided into 4 subphyla. They are Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. Vertebrata is divided into 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, apes, Mammalia. Pisces. It has streamlined body. It has fins for swimming. It respires through gills. It has external fertilization. It is oviparous. Example: asala, rohu, seahorse. Amphibia. It lives in land and water both. It respires through gills in tadpole stage, by skin in water, and by lung in land. It has external fertilization. It is oviparous. Example: frog, toad, salamander. Reptilia. It has crawling movement. It respires through lungs. It consists head, neck, trunk, and tail. It is cold-blooded animal. It is oviparous. It has internal fertilization. Example: snake, crocodile, wall lizard. Apes. It has feathers in its body. It has wings for flight. It is warm-blooded animal. It has light and hollow bones. It is oviparous. It has internal fertilization. Example: pigeon, duck, peacock. Mammalia. It has mammary gland. It respires through lung. It is warm-blooded animal. It is viviparous. Because it gives birth to its babies. Example: human, bats, whale, rabbit. Mosquito. Body of mosquito is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. It makes hole and sucks blood. Because it has proboscis with needle-like sharp organ. Its life cycle completes in 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Mosquitoes are of 2 types: Culex and Anopheles. Culex causes filariasis. Anopheles causes malaria. Life cycle of mosquito. Egg. Culex mosquito lays 200 to 400 eggs in group, but Anopheles mosquito lays 40 to 100 eggs single with air float. They lay eggs on stagnant water. Larva. The larva of Culex mosquito makes certain angle with water surface, but Anopheles lies parallel to water surface. Larva has siphon to respire. Pupa. Pupa is comma-shaped, fully developed larva. Head and thorax combine to form cephalothorax. It is covered with transparent puparium layer. It swims in water but do not feed. Adult. The fully developed mosquito is called imago. Imago comes out from puparium, dries its wings, and fly away. Adult Culex lies parallel to ground. Adult Anopheles lies making an angle with ground. Harmful effects of mosquito. It causes the disease like malaria, filaria, yellow fever, and dengue. Preventive measures. By using bed net during sleeping. By filling up the ponds and ditches with soil. By using insecticides or oil in pond. By keeping fish or rearing ducks in pond.